Today I'm sharing what I believe is the best baked potato recipe for the outdoors. We're making potato halves in the foil. We start with medium-sized potato, cutting them into equal halves. To get that garlic herb flavor deep inside, I make a grid of incisions without piercing the skin. This mesh technique ensures every bite is seasoned. This is the best way to get the spices inside the potato. Place the halves on a double layer of the foil. This is crucial for a crispy skin-based potato that doesn't turn into charcoal. To bake potatoes on the grill or embers without burning them, double foil acts as a heat diffuser, allowing the potatoes to bake evenly in its own juices. Just a touch of salt to start. We're preparing 3 variations. One with smoky aroma paprika, one with aromatic pesto, and one with the rich garlic herb. Mix of quality olive oil and crushed garlic for that classic campfire aroma. Now we seal them tightly. This creates a steam chamber. We prefer this method because it creates a loaded baked potato texture, soft and creamy, without losing any moisture to the flames. We'll use a shallow pit to concentrate a heat. Today I'm using the same pit where I baked pizza recently. You can check out the pizza video via the link on your screen right now. Once you have a bed of glowing campfire potatoes in foil ready, tuck the packet in. While the fire works its magic, please consider subscribing to the channel. How do I know when the potatoes are done without opening the foil? Use a wooden skewer. If it slices through the foil and potato like butter, you reach perfection. Let's reveal the magic. The aroma is incredible. That's what I love. The garlic has caramelized and the pesto has melted into incisions. This is exactly how baked potato halves should look. Golden, succulent and full of life. Take a moment to enjoy this. Cooking over a fire reminds us to take a break from the noise. Let me know in comments what topping you choose. See you in the next video. Bye bye.